Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Here's a tech issue some Ram owners run into. Why does my navigation or vehicle location start to drift or show the wrong position? You might notice the map showing your truck on the wrong road, lagging behind where you actually are, or drifting around the map. Most of the time this comes down to a GPS signal or antenna. Your truck uses GPS antenna usually mounted on the roof or integrated into the shark fin antenna to figure out where it is. If that signal gets weak or interrupted, the navigation system can start guessing based on vehicle movement, which is when you see the location drift. Another thing that can help is software updates. The Uconnect system occasionally gets updates that improve GPS stability and system performance, so if your truck hasn't been updated in a while, that can sometimes fix navigation glitches. You may also notice this happening more in rural areas or remote locations where there are fewer map references or weaker satellite signals. The system can take longer to correct its position. Sometimes it's not the GPS itself, but outdated map data. If the road network has changed or the maps are old, the system might place your truck on the wrong road even though the GPS signal is accurate. And if the system starts acting buggy, a safe system reset can sometimes fix it. On many Ram trucks, you can hold the volume and turning knobs together for about 10 to 15 seconds to reboot the system without wiping your settings. So if your navigation is drifting, start by checking for system updates, map updates, and trying a quick system reset. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-3629.